Very good evening, students. My name is Abhishek, and in this video, we are going to discuss the topic of quantitative aptitude, and the name of the topic is number system. So, students, we have already gone through the concepts based on type 1, 2, 3, and in this video, we are going to discuss some questions based on those type 1, 2, 3, right? So, welcome to the video. Let us start. First of all, I would like to share that the topic that I am telling about, the topics are basics, factors, LCM, HCF, divisibility, reminders, and factorial, right? And and about the three types that I was telling about, the three types are basics, factors, and LCM, HCF, right? So here in this video, we are going to start the question based on the basics, factors, and LCM, HCF. So students, let's start. My first question is the sum of first 10 natural number, the sum of square of first 10 natural number, the sum of the cube of first 10 natural number, the sum of first 10 even number, the sum of first 24 odd natural numbers, the sum of all odd numbers up to 250. So students, there are the formulas available for finding the sums of these respected concepts. If I talk about the sum of first n natural numbers, so this is denoted as n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2, right? If I come to find the sum of square of first 10 natural number, this is given as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. If we come to find the cube of first 10 natural number, this is given as n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and whole cube, right? The sum of first 10 even number is given as n into n plus 1. The sum of first n odd numbers is given as n square. Based on the concepts, let us do the question number 6. Find the sum of all odd numbers up to 250. So students, find out how many odd numbers are there till 250. So odd numbers will be 250 divided by 2, that is 125, right? So all in all, I have to find the sum of 125 odd numbers, right? So this will be simply n square, and if we do n square, we will get the answer 15625. So students, here answer of this question will be C. For rest of the question, we simply put the value of n and find out the answer, right? Okay. Coming to the next thing, question number 7 we have. The question is, in a division, the dividend is 689, the divisor is 36, the question is 19. Find the remainder. So students, you know the formula available. Formula is dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So this is the formula by which we can use this kind of question. So in the question, the dividend is 689, the divisor is 36, and the question is 19. And students, here we have to find the remainder. So for this question, we don't need to multiply all the 19 and 36. We just multiply 9 and 6, right? And find the unit digit. So unit digit that we are getting is 4. That means whatever the digit will be, the unit digit will be 4. And if we want to find the remainder, just subtract. So answer of this question will be 5, right? Okay. Question number 8. The question is, when a number is divided by 288, the remainder is 47. Find the remainder when the same number is divided by 24. So some dividend we can say divided by 288, that means here quotient is some quotient, and divided by 288, that means here divisor is 288, remainder is 47, so we can write 47 here. find the remainder when the same number is divided by 24. That means divide here 24 and divide here 24, and this is the property of remainder. Then if the two or more remainder are remaining after addition, so we can just add the remainders. But if we check out for the remainder in this term, so remainder will be 0. And if we check for the remainder in the this term, that is 47 divided by 24, so here remainder will be 23, right? Hence 23 will be the answer. Coming to the next question, question number 9. The question is, in a division sum the divisor is 5 times the quotient and 2 times the remainder. If the remainder is 40, then find the dividend. So students, here the clear thing that you have to give, you are given the remainder is 40 and divisor is 5 times the quotient and 2 times the remainder. That means if we find out the divisor, so divisor is 5 times the quotient and 2 times the remainder. That means divider is 2 times the remainder, that means 80. And divisor is 5 times the quotient, that means here quotient will be 16, right? And if we need to find out the dividend, so this will be simply 1280 plus 40, and we can get the answer. The answer will be 1320. That is option number A. Coming to the next question, the question is, a number when divided by a divisor leaves a remainder of 24, right? This is dividend. A dividend is divided by a divisor, so this is dividend and a divisor, right? When a number is divided by a divisor leaves a remainder of 24, so some quotient and plus a remainder 24. When the twice of the original number, that means 2 of this dividend, is divided by the same divisor, so we can write the remainder obtained is 11. So here we have to divide with divisor and we have to divide with divisor. The remainder is 11, right? The remainder is 11. So we have to find out the divisor. So student, this is very simple. We can divide 24 by 11 and find the remainder. So remainder here will be 23. Same if we think the backtrack approach, if we divide 13, if we divide 24 by 13, the remainder will be 11. So here in this question, the value of divisor will be 13, right? Okay. Coming to the next question, we have, a number when divided by 342 gives a remainder 47. So let us suppose this is a dividend and divided by 342, that means here divisor is equal to 342 and quotient, suppose let's do q, and remainder is 47. When the same number is divided by 19, what will be the remainder? So we can check when divided by 19 what will be the remainder. So we can check 19 manja 19, carry 14, and this will be divisible by 19, right? And if we divide 47 by 19, so here 19 to the 38, and after 38 the remainder will be 9. So students, answer of this question will be 9. Coming to the next question, the next question that we have, when 242 is divided by a certain divisor, the remainder obtained is 8. So we can write it as 242 is divided by a certain divisor, the remainder obtained is 8. Let us take quotient as q. When 698 is divided by the same divisor, here also divisor, the remainder obtained is 9. So here this must be q2. However, when the sum of two numbers 242 and 698 is divided by the divisor, the remainder obtained is 4. So what is the value of divisor? So for finding this, just find the sum of these two. So this will be 0, this is 4, and this will be 9, right? And this will be is equal to, however, on the sum of two numbers divided by a divisor, the remainder obtained is 4. So when finding the sum of these remainder, this will be 17, right? And is saying that if the remainder obtained is 4, so the divider must be 17 minus 4, that is 13, right? So hence answer of this question should be 13. Coming to the next question here, in question number 13, you have to find which of the following is not a rational number. So students, we have already discussed what is a rational number and what is irrational number. Let us discuss once again. Rational number is the number that can be written in the form of p by q, and irrational number is the number that cannot be written in the form of p by q, right? Students knows this definition, but students sometimes don't know the real meaning of this definition. What is the meaning of able to write in the form of p by q and not in the form of p by q? Let us suppose, for example, we have a number 10 divided by 3. So the value of this fraction will be 3.33333. Okay. And let us take another example. So let us suppose 10 divided by 4. So value of this will be 2.5. So in the first, we are getting a certain pattern after decimal, and the second one, we are getting the break of numbers after the decimal, right? So if there is a certain pattern or the break of decimal, the number is a rational number. Or if there is not a certain pattern after the decimal, the number will be an irrational number. For example, if we look at the value of pi, 22 by 7, the values after decimal is not a certain number, certain pattern, right? If we check it for the value of e, again irrational. If we calculate the square root of any number that is a perfect cube, 27, the number will be a rational number. On the same side, if we find out the cube root of a certain number that is a perfect square, so number will be an irrational number. So by the definition, we can find out the answer of question number 23rd. If we check 2 by 3, so this will be 0.66666. So again a pattern, not a rational number. Sorry, rational number. 5 by 7. If we check for 5 by 7, what will be the number? Right? So after decimal, there is not a certain pattern, right? If we check for 7 divided by 9, so 7 divided by 9, this will be 0.7777, and hence 5 by 7 will not be a rational number, this will be an irrational number, right? So the okay, so next thing that we have is which of the following is a prime number. What is a prime number and how to find the prime number out of the given numbers, right? So prime number as a definition is a number that has exactly two factors, one and itself, right? And the least prime number is 2, and 2 is the only even prime number. So these are the three things that you must know. So prime number find करने के लिए what you have to do, you have to find the divisibility of the number by any other number. If the number is divisible by 1 in itself, number will be a prime number, otherwise not. Okay, for finding a prime number we have to find the divisibility, but by what, till what number we will find the divisibility. For example, 121 is a number, as we know that this is the square of 11, so this cannot be a prime number. 171, for example, we have a number 171 and we need to find whether this number is a prime number or not. So we will check we will check by all the prime numbers till the nearest square root. So the nearest square root is 169, the square is of 13. So we will check till we will check by all the prime numbers in 13. So we can check we can check by 3. 3 5 is 15, carry 2, 3 7 is 21. That means this is not a prime number. And if we check for 181, the nearest prime number, the nearest square root, the nearest square is 196, right? And this is the square of 14. Just check by all the prime numbers. So 181 is not divisible by any of the prime numbers till 14, so number will be a prime number. Next thing that we have in question number 15, how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 50? So students, we should know that the number of prime number from 1 to 50 is 15, right? And if we check for 1 to 100, 1 to 100, the number of prime number is 25, right? So there is not a particular formula for finding the number of prime numbers within a particular range, right? Question number 16, next question we have is 0 is, answer will be neither positive nor negative integer. Question number 17, which of the following is not a prime number? So again, for this we can check 137, nearest square is 144 is the square of 12. If we check for the prime numbers, 3 no, 5 no, 7 no, 9 no, 11 no. That means this is a prime number, but here we have to find that which is not a prime number. So 181, if we check 181, the nearest square root is 196, this square root of 14. If we check, so 3 no, 5 no, 7 no, 7 no, 11 no, 13. It is divisible by 13 because 13 1 is 13 and 13 7 is 51, right? So again, not a prime number. 181 is not a prime number. So this thing we have to find that which of the following is not a prime number. That means 181 will not be a prime number. Next question we have, half the product of two consecutive natural numbers is 15. The sum is. So students, the question is like half the product of two consecutive numbers. Let us suppose the first number is x and the second number is x plus 1. Half the product of two numbers is 105. Then the sum is right. So here we can make a quadratic equation like x square plus x minus 210 is equal to 0. Thereafter we can find the two factors of this. So this will be x square plus 15x minus 14, right? X is equal to 0. If we take x common, this will be x plus 15, and if we take minus 14 common here, this will be again x plus 14. That means the positive factor for x will be 14. One number is 14 and the consecutive number is 15. We have to find the sum of these two numbers. So answer of this question will be 29. Right? Coming to the next question, the question is n is the smallest number greater than 600 which gives a remainder of 5 when divided by both 6 and 9. Find the remainder when n is divided by 5. So students, for this question we need a number greater than greater than 600 which gives a remainder of 5 when divided by both 6 and 9. So students, the first number after 600 that gives a remainder 5 when divided by 6 is 605. But if we check divisible by 9, so will the number be, will the remainder be 5? No, 9 6 is 54, remainder 6, and 9 6 is 9 7 is 63. So the remainder here is 2. That means we have to go for another choice. The next number after 605 will be 6 611 611, right? So divided by 6, remainder will be 5, but divide by 9, if we check 9 6 54, remainder 7, and 9 7 is 63. So no. If we check for the another number 617, if we divide by 6, the remainder will be 5, and if we divide by 9, what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 5. That means the number is 617. When divided by 6 and 9, the remainder is 5. So just find out the remainder when this 617 is divided by 5. So students, here the remainder will be 2. Right? Okay, coming to the next question. The next question we have, how many numbers from 1 to 100 can be expressed as a product of their factors? Right? So from 1 to 100, you know that the numbers those can be written as the product of their factors in more than one way will be other than the prime numbers. If we find the number of prime numbers from 1 to 100, so number of prime numbers will be 24. That means other than the 24 numbers, all the numbers can be written in the form of product of their in the form more than one product of their factors. That means if we subtract this 24 from 100, so we will get 70 sorry 25 prime numbers are there. 25, we will get 75, right? 75 numbers. and and number 1 is not included from those number wherein it has more than two factors. So the number of the numbers will be 74. So hence answer of this question will be 74. Coming to the next question, the question is, if the numbers 2 by 3, 3 by 8, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4 are arranged in descending order, what will be the second number? So students, for this question, find the LCM. LCM will be 24, and find the numerator 16, 9, 20 and 18. So if we write all the numbers in descending order, that means bigger to smaller, which will be second number. So 18 by 24 will be the second number. Hence answer of this question will be 3 by 4. Right. So the next thing that we are going to discuss here is the factors. Right. Factors are you know that any composite number can be written as a as you know as a product of their factor, right? So here we have to find in question number 22 that find the number of the factors of n those are common with m. That means here we have to find the total number of factors. So students, there are three things that I would like to share with you people. Like, my first things is total number of factors, right? Second thing is total number of even factors, right? And third thing is total number of odd factors. Students, you must know that any number n can be written in the form of a to the power p multiplied by b to the power q multiplied by c, b to the power q multiplied by c to the power r, and multiplication of infinity. In this, any number, the total number of factors can be given as p plus 1 multiplied by q plus 1 multiplied by r plus 1. And total number of even factors is given as p multiplied by q plus 1 and multiplied by r plus 1 if the number includes the least prime factor as 2, right? Okay, if not, we will discuss later. Total number of odd factors can be given as q plus 1 multiplied by r plus 1. So for this question, we can find the number of factors of n that are common with m. So if we find out the common factor, so 2 to the power 2 is common and 3 to the power 1 is common. If we find the total number if we find the total number of factors, so this will be 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. So answer of this question will be 6. So here 6 will be the answer. Question number 23rd. Find the number of total number of factors, even factors and odd factor of 1200. So students, you must know the factorization of 1200. If we do the factorization of 1200, so this will be divisible by 2, this is 600, divisible by 2, this is 300, divisible by 2, this is 150, divisible by 2, that is 75, divisible by 3, that is 25, divisible by 5, that is 5, and divisible by 5, that is 1. That means if we write the number 1200 in the form of p a की power p multiplied by b की power q, so this can be written as 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 5 to the power 2, right? So what will be the total number of factor? Total number of factor will be simply 4 plus 1, that is 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 3. That means this will be 30. For total number of even factor, if we found, so even term is there 2, we will not add 1 with p, so this will be 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, so this will be 24. So hence we can find the option number A will be the right option, right? In the next question, we have to find the number of factors of 8085, right? 8085. So again we have to do the factorization of 8085. So students, if we do the factorization, we know that this is first of all divisible by 3. 3 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 18, 3 9 is 27, and 3 5 is 15. Thereafter 5 5 5 is 25, carry 1, 5 3 is 15, and 5 9 is 45. Thereafter 7 7 7 is 7 7 is, thereafter 7 is, and thereafter 11 1 is. That means if we write this 8085 in the form of p की power q and q की power r, a की power p multiplied by b की power q, so this can be written as 3 की power 1 multiplied by 5 की power 1 multiplied by 7 की power 2 multiplied by 11 की power 1. So the number of factors we can find, right? So this will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So this will be simply your 24 will be the answer. Right? The next thing that we have, find the sum and product of all the factors of 180 respectively. So sum and product of all the factors, students, there is a new concept for finding here the sum and product of all the factors that I am not discussed in the concept based class. So let me discuss that also. For finding sum of all the factor, that is called soft. This simply can be calculated as a power 0 plus a power 1 plus a power 2 plus a power p multiply by b power 0 plus b power 1 plus till b power q, and multiply c power 0 plus c power 1 plus till c power r, right? And if we find a product of all the factors, so this is simply p divided p की power f divided by 2, where f is the total number of factors, right? So students, by using this formula you can find the answer of 25, 26 and 27. Coming to the next question, that is next type, LCM and HCF. So students, the question is 28. The question is, find the HCF and LCM of 2 की power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 and these two number. So if we come to find the HCF, HCF is the highest common factor that can divide all the given numbers. So for finding the highest common factor, this will be the term that is included in all the three numbers, that is 3, and the highest power of 3, that is 2. So here HCF will be 3 square. And if we find the LCM, LCM will be the lowest common multiple that is divisible by all the given numbers. So for finding this, the maximum power of 2 will be 5, the maximum power of 3 will be 5, and the maximum power of 5 will be 2 here. So students, LCM and HCF respectively will be this. Coming to the next question, question number 29. The question is, the HCF of two numbers is 7 and their LCM is 5. Find the product of the numbers, right? So we can check, like highest common factor is 7. Highest common factor of two numbers is 7. Let us suppose a plus b are the numbers. Their LCM is 15. So find the product of their numbers. So we can simply find LCM multiplied by HCF, that is 15 multiplied by 7. That answer will be 105. Right? Product of the numbers will be is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. Okay. Question number 30, that we have the two numbers are in the ratio 5:8 and their HCF is 4. Find the numbers. So HCF is the highest common factor that can divide all the given numbers. So the numbers will be 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20, and 8 multiplied by 4, that is 32. That means option number B. Right? Coming to the next question, the question is question number 31. If the sum of two numbers is 55 and HCF and LCM of these two numbers are 5 and 120 respectively, then the sum of reciprocal of the numbers. So students, if we take the numbers as A and B, so the sum of the reciprocal of the numbers will be 1 by A divided by 1 by B. And for solving this, we can solve it by this, like A plus B divided by AB. In the question, the LCM and HCF of these two numbers are 5 and 120. So this is nothing but the product of these two numbers, because we already know that the product of product of the numbers will be is equal to LCM and LCF. So AB value will be 600, and the sum of two numbers is 55, so just put the value of 55. If we come to solve it, this will be 11 divided by 120. So students, answer of this question will be your C, that is 11 divided by 120, right? 32 question. Find the greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length of 5 meter 95 centimeter, that means 495 centimeter, 9 meter 16 9 meter, so 900 centimeter, and 16 meter 65 centimeter, that means this, right? So greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length. Okay, that means we have to find the HCF of the numbers. How to find? Just check divisibility by any number that is common. So we can check divisibility by 5. 5 9 ja 45, 5 9 ja 45. Thereafter 5 5 1 ja 5 8 ja, right? Thereafter if we check the divisibility by 9 is there, because 11 and 9 2 the 18 and 9 33. That means 9 and 5 are the highest common factor. The multiple of these two will be 45. So students, answer of this question will be 45 here. Right? Okay. Coming to the next question, the question is 33. The question is what is the second smallest number, which when increased by 7 is completely divisible by 8, 11 and 24. So for this, find the LCM of 8, 11 and 24. When finding the LCM of 8, 11 and 24, just what we can do, the LCM of 8 and 24 will be 24, right? And the LCM of 11 and 24 will be the multiple, that means 264 will be the LCM. What is the second smallest number which when increase by which when increased by 7 is completely divisible? Okay, so first smallest number is the LCM. Second smallest number will be multiple of 2 of LCM, that means this will be 8. That means 5 28. And he's asking that what is the second smallest number which when increased by 7 is completely divisible by this number. So number increased by 7 and then the number 528. If we check the value of n, so this will be 521. So students, answer of this question will be 521, right? Okay. Next question is the question number 34. The question is LCM of two numbers A and B, how many possible values of B exist? So possible values of B, so here we can check the highest power, that is 21, and this can range from 0 to 21. That means the possible values of B are 22. That means 21 plus 1, that is 0. So here answer will be 22. The next question that we have is question number 35. If the LCM of different two numbers is 91, how many pairs of these two numbers exist? Right? So if we check the LCM of two numbers is 71, so two numbers can be either 1 and 91, 91 and 1, 13 and 7, and 7 and 13. So how many pairs of these number exist? The numbers those are existing are 4. Right? Coming to the next question, the question we have, the sum of two numbers is 136 and their HCF is 17. The number of pairs of such numbers satisfying the condition. So suppose the two numbers are A and B. Sum of two numbers are 136 and their HCF is 17. That means a common multiple, highest common factor is 17. The number of pairs of such numbers, if we find for A and B, so this will be 9. No. So this will be 8. Right? This will be 8. And is asking that the number of pairs of such numbers. So if we try to put the value, so this will be 0, 8, 8, 0. Right? So 0, 8 and 1, 7, 2, 5 and 3, 2, 6 and 3, 5 and 4, 4. Right? Two values from this, two values from this, two values from this, two values from this, and one value from this. That means total number of values should be 9. Those are satisfying the condition. So I guess the option is not there. Answer of this question should be 9. Right? Okay. Next question. So students, coming to the question number 38, is saying that IBM Daksh observed that it gets a call at an interval of every 10 minutes from Seattle, at every 12 minutes from Arizona, at an interval of every 20 minutes from New York, and after every 25 minutes it gets the call from Newark. If in the early morning at 5 a.m. it has received the call simultaneously from all the 4 destinations, then at which time will it receive the calls at a time from all places on the same day? So students, as you know that all the time given is in minutes. So what I have to do, first of all I would have to take the LCM of all these. So if I take the LCM, that means lowest common multiple, so this will be 600, that means 600 minute, and converting it into the hours, so divided by 60, 300 will be the LCM, divided by 60, and this will become 5. So 5 hours after 5 am, so answer of this question will be 10 am. Hence we can mark option number A will be the right option. Right? Coming to the second question, the question is 3 lights change after 48, 72 and 108 seconds. At 9:20 all change together. At what time will again change together third time? So students, for this we have to take the LCM of all these numbers. The LCM of all these numbers will be 432. Right? In the question you are asked that at what time all the light will change together third time, so multiply it by 3. So when multiplying it by 3 it will become 1296. As it is in second, so just convert it into the minute by dividing it by 60. So become this will become 21.6, right? 21.6. As 21.6 is in a decimal, so for converting it into the time, just multiply the number after decimal by 60. 6 multiplied by 60, that is 360, and take the two digit, that means 21 minute and 36 second. So add 21 minute 36 second to 920, so this will become 941 and 36 seconds. So students, answer of this question will be option number A, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 40, we have, at what trade center a meeting was organized by USA invited four countries, India, Russia, China, Japan, in the meeting. There were 36, 72, 81 and 108 members respectively, so I can write it as 36, 72, 81 and 108 members respectively attended the meeting from the above four countries. At the time of dinner, the seating arrangement is such that only the members of the same countries are allowed at one dining table. The number of members in each table should be same. What is the minimum number of table should be arranged to meet all these countries, right? So students, what I have to do for this, I have to take the HCF of all the given numbers, right? HCF of all the given numbers. So for finding the HCF, find the digit that can divide all the given numbers. So the first digit that can divide all the given numbers will be 2, and when dividing by 2, so we will get 18 here, we will get 36 here. No, 2 is not the number. Let us check by 3. 3 12 we can get here, 24, right? Again the number can be 3 that can divide all the given numbers, right? So again 3 and 3, after this there is not a common multiple that can divide all the given numbers, hence HCF of the numbers will be 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9, right? Now what I have to do, I have to find the number of members in each table should be arranged. So if the number of members in 36 and HCF is 9, so what should be the members? What should be the number of members and one table? 36 divided by 9, that is 4, plus 72 divided by 9, that is 8, 81 divided by 9, that is 9, and 108 divided by 9, that is 12, and add all this. So when adding all this, we will get 33. So students, answer of this question will be 33, right? Okay, coming to the next question. The next question that we have, 3 gold coins of weight 780, 840 and 960 gram are cut into small pieces, all of which have equal weights. Each piece must be heavy as possible. If one such piece is shared by 2 persons, then how many persons are needed to give all the pieces of gold coins, right? So student, this question is same as the previous one. For this, just find the HCF of the given numbers. So the lowest multiple that can divide all the given numbers will be 2. If we divide it by 2, what we will get? We will get 390 here, 420 here, and 480 here. Again the second multiple can be 2. So right, again the second multiple can be 3, because if we check the divisibility by 3, right, and the other multiple can be 5. So let's check the divisibility by 5. After this, there will be not a common multiple. So the highest common factor will be the multiple of these numbers. So when multiplying all the given numbers, what we will get? We will get 60, right? So the number of coins that will be needed, 780 divided by 60, that we will get here 13. 840 divided by 60, that is 14, and 960 divided by 60, so we will get 16, and when adding all this we will get a 43. So students, answer of this question will be C, that is 43. Coming to the next question, question number 42. The question is, a teacher when distributed certain number of chocolate to 4, 5 and 7 children, he always left with one chocolate. Find the least number of chocolate the teacher brought to the class. So students, 4, 5 and 7. Find the LCM of 4, 5 and 7. LCM of 4, 5, 7 will be 140. And he is living with the one chocolate, so add this one chocolate in 140, so we will get 141. So students, answer of this question will be 141, right? Okay. Coming to the next question, 43. The question is, find the greatest number which will divide 260, 281, 303, leaving 7, 5 and 4 as the remainder. So students, the three numbers are 260, 281 and 303. The reminders are respectively 5, 7, 4. If we subtract the reminders from the numbers, so what we will get? We will get 253, and we will get 276, and thereafter we will get 299, right? A reminder we have subtracted. Now find the HCF of all the given numbers. Find the first number that can divide all the given numbers. So the numbers will be the HCF will be 23. So let us check divisibility by 23. 23 1 j 23 and 23 1 j 23. This is divisible. 23 1 j 23, remaining is 3. Remaining is 4, and 23 2 ja, right? 23 1 ja 23, remaining is 6, and 23 3 ja. So students, HCF is 23, hence answer of this question will be 23, right? So students, the next question we have is question number 44. Find the greatest number by which if we divide 740, 838 and 985, then in each case the remainder is same. So students, for this question what we will have to do, we will have to subtract each of the numbers from the different numbers. So if we do the same, so 838 minus 740 and 985 minus 740, right? And 985 minus 838, right? If we do so, so what will be the numbers? So here we will get 8, here we will get 9, so 98, here we will get 5, here we will get 4, and here we will get 2, here we will get 7, and here we will get 4 and 1, 147, right? Then find the HCF of all the given numbers. When finding the HCF of all the given numbers, so let us check. 49 can be the number, 49. Okay, so 49 will be the HCF, so hence we can say that the then the greatest number will be 49, right? Okay, coming to the next question. The next question that we have is question number 45. The largest 3-digit number divisible by both 5 and 7, right? So student, for this just find the smallest number that is divisible by both 5 and 7, that is 35, right? 35, but he's saying that largest 3-digit number divisible by both 5 and 7. So for making it a 3-digit number, we can just multiply 5 by 10, so we will get 350. We will get 350, right? Now for reaching to the largest 3-digit number, what is the number that we can multiply it? We can multiply this number by 3. No, we can multiply it by 3. Okay, let us check. So 0, 5 and 1015, it is greater than a 3-digit number. So what is the multiple of 35 that we can subtract from 1050 for making a largest 3-digit number? That is 70. 70 subtract कर सकते हैं. So the number that we can get 8 and 980, right? So students, answer of this question will be 980. Coming to the next question, question number 47. What is the smallest number greater than 500 which gives a remainder of 3 when divisible by 4 and 7? Right? So when divisible by 4 and 7, so for this just find the LCM of 4 and 7. When finding the LCM of 4 and 7, so the LCM will be 28. Right? What is the smallest number greater than 500? So we need to reach nearby 500, and what is the number that we can multiply 28? So we can check okay, what is the number by which we multiply to reach the number, a 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number? 4. And if we multiply it by 3, what number we will get? Okay, just take it as 4. So 112. Now for reaching nearby 500, what is the number that we can multiply it? The number that we can multiply is 5. So we will get 560. But he is saying that what is the smallest number greater than 500? So what number we have to subtract from 560? So we'll have to subtract the second multiple of this. So this will be 56 and the number will be 504. Right? Hence answer of this question will be 504. Now coming to the next question, 47. The question is, how many numbers up to 360 will give a remainder 3 when divisible by both 4 and 9? So students, divisible by both 4 and 9, so we can take the LCM of 4 and 9. This will be 36. Now we can check the how many numbers are there which can be divisible by 36 up to 360. So if we divide 360 by 36, so we are getting a remainder of 10. We are getting the quotient 10. That means 10 number will be there. But out of these 10, one number will not be there, that will give a remainder 3. So we can say that 9 number will be there, that gives a remainder 3, that when divisible by both 4 and 9. Right? So hence answer of this question will be 9. Coming to the next question, that we have, question number 48. What will be the smallest 3-digit number when divisible by both 4, 5 and 6? The remainders are 2, 3 and 4. Right? So here divisors are given. Divisors are respectively 4, 5 and 6. And reminders are given. Reminders are respectively 2, 3 and 4. If the difference between divisor and remainder is same in each case, like if we check, the difference of 4 and 2 is 2, 5 and 3 is 2, 6 and 4 is 2, right? then what we have to do, we have to do LCM or any multiple of HCF minus the difference between divisor and remainder, right? If we take the LCM of all the divisors, so what number we will get? We will get 60 as the LCM. We will get 60 as the LCM. And after this, what we will have to do? What is the smallest three-digit number, right? So reaching to the smallest three-digit number, we will have to multiply it by 2, so we can get 120, right? And the formula that I told you, LCM or any multiple of LCM minus difference between divisor and remainder. So difference between remainder and remainder, difference between divisor and remainder, ये कितना है स्टूडेंट्स? ये 2 है. So hence we can write 120 minus 2, and hence answer of this question will be 118, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 49. The question is, what will be the largest three-digit number when divisible by 6 and 5? The remainders are 5 and 3 respectively. So in this question, you can check the difference between divisor and remainder is not same. One time you check the difference 6 minus 5, that is 1, and second time you check 5 minus 3, that is 2, right? So for this thing, you will have to find out a number. You will have to find out a number which when divisible by 6, the remainder is 5. So the smallest three-digit number, which when divisible by 5 gives a remainder, divisible by 6 gives a remainder 5. So what can be the number? Let us check. Suppose we check with 102. Is it divisible by 6? Okay, let us check. It is divisible by 6, right? Because 6 1 is 6, remainder 4, 6 7 is 42. Okay, if we add 5 to this, so the remainder will be 5. Hence we can check, like if the number is 107, and if we divide by 6, so the remainder, so the remainder is 5, right? Okay, if we check, if we divide by 5, what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 2. That means 107 is not a choice. The second thing, if we check 106 plus 5, 106 plus 5, that is 111. If we divide it by 6, so 111 divided by 6, the remainder is 5, because it will be cut. No, we can simply add 6 to this, na? Now 107 plus 6, that is 113. Now we can check the remainder is 5. 6 1 is 6, 7 8 9 10 11. Now the remainder is 5. Okay, let's check divisibility by 5. What is the remainder? When divided by 5, so the remainder is 3. So our choice is 113. 113. Right? So the smallest three-digit number, which when divisible by 6 and 5, the remainder is 5 and 3 respectively. Right? Okay. So answer of this question will be 113. Right? Okay. Let's move to the next question. The question is question number 50. The question is, LCM of two numbers is 96 and HCF is 8. One is 32. Other number will be what? Right? So LCM of two number is okay, and HCF is 8. One number is 32. Okay, so simple, you can use the formula LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to the product of all the given numbers, like this. LCM that is given is 96 and HCF that is given is 8. If one number is 32, then other number you have to find, let's take it as x. So we can check 8 4 ja 32 and 4 24 ja. So students, answer of this question will be 24, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 51. What is the LCM of 2 by 3, 4 by 8 and 4 by 5? Right? LCM, that means lowest common multiple that is divisible by all the given numbers. So students, for this just take the LCM of all these number. What will be the LCM? The LCM will be 120, right? This will be 40 and this will be 60 and this will be 96. This will be 96, right? So LCM of all the given numbers, that means the number that can divide all the given numbers. So we can check we can check accordingly the number that can divide all the given numbers will be, okay, for the safer side we can take it as 80 divided by 120, 60 divided by 120 and 96 divided by 120, right? So we can check one by one. 130 if we divide, okay, so this is divisible. Okay, so we LCM, we need the lowest common multiple, so this will be 120, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 42. Buses to city A arrives at bus stop every 7 minutes, while buses going to city B arrives at bus stop at every 5 minutes. If the buses to both the cities arrive at bus stop together at 7:30, when will again arrive bus stop? So student, this kind of question we have already discussed before, so I am leaving this question up to you, right? Coming to the next question, question number 53. And the question is, if the LCM of two numbers A and B is same as their HCF, then what is the relationship between A and B? So if we check option number A is greater than B, it depends upon the values of A and B. Second option that I have written here, option C, A is less than B, again depends upon the values of A and B. A is equal to B if two numbers are same. So now we can check if the LCM of two numbers A and B is same as their HCF, what is the relationship? Okay, so the number will be the same, right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 54. What is the length of longest scale that will be able to completely measure length of, right? So students, for this question you have to simply find the HCF of all the given numbers. Coming to the next question we have is 55. If A and B are consecutive even numbers, then the LCM of numbers will be, LCM will be n multiplied, this will be A multiplied by B. Other than nothing can be the LCM, right? 56, if we check, the LCM of two numbers is 105, HCF is 7, one of the two numbers is 21, find the difference between two numbers. So if we check the question, LCM of two numbers is 105 and HCF is 7. So we can check one number is 105, LCM is 105, HCF is 7, and one number is 21. So we can find the other number also. So 7 3 ja 21, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15, that means the other number will be 35. If one number is 21, then what is the difference between two numbers? Just subtract 21 from this, so we will get 14. Hence answer of this question will be 14, right? Okay, coming to the next question we have, find the LCM of 2 by 3, 6 by 5, 4 by 7. So students, this is the questions that we have earlier done this kind of question. So for this question, just take the LCM of all these. So LCM will be 105 and this will be 70, 126, sorry, 126, and this will be 100, right? If we check the LCM, the least common multiple that can divide all the given numbers, so uh, this will be 2 divided by 105, right? 2 divided by 105. Okay. Next question that we have is question number 58. Largest scale to measure 1 meter 5 centimeter, 2 meter 40 centimeters. And just take the HCF of all these given number. We can find the answer. Coming to the next question, HCF of all the given numbers. So for HCF, we will have to get the number that the largest number that can divide all the given numbers, right? So the numbers are 3 by 15, 9 by 18, 9 by 8, and 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4. So we have to find the largest number that can divide all the given numbers. So let's take the LCM. LCM will be 120. And this will be 90. So find the HCF of these numbers. So highest common factor that can divide all the given numbers. So if we check uh, 3 by 40, no, 3 by 40 cannot be there. Okay, 120 must be here. And what is the number, what is the largest number that can divide 3? 3 is there, so 3. That means the highest common factor will be 1 by 40, right? So students, that's all was there for the number system sheet 1, wherein we have discussed 59 questions, right? If you have any doubt in any question, students, so you can contact me. Thank you so much. Okay.